Notary Advocate Association of India saying thanks for issue the practice of certificate to the notary applicants like I, and towards the all the applicants nowadays they got the practice certificate as a notary advocate. Towards me and towards the all, I am saying thanks to the humble Prime Minister of India, to the humble Home Minister of India, and to the humble Law Minister of India, and concern all members authority of Central Notary Sale. It is the matter of really the pride for all notary applicants who become nowadays as a notary advocate. This is the matter of the pride, and especially I am saying towards the Notary Advocate Association and towards the all the notary applicants who got practice certificate. I am saying Prime Minister this country, Home Minister this country, Law Minister this country, and notary concern authority. I am saying thanks, because it was the work of much tough, and a lot of the applicants were waiting since many years. At last the certificate was issued by the Central Notary Cell. Now such the candidates who got like this certificate, they are much happy and giving the, that is called, they are praying for may our the Prime Minister of India, Home Minister of India, Law Minister of India, concerned notary authority may live long and they may be safe. I am giving the, that is called dua, and also I am praying for all towards the all Notary Advocate Association. The it was much the target and it was difficult work, but anyhow by the notary department it has been completed the work, and I want to again special pray to the humble Prime Minister of India, Home Minister of India, Law Minister of India, and concerned notary cell members authority, that till the time the about a lot of states has been opened and like this certificate has been issued, but there are also some notary applicants are in much trouble like Uttar Pradesh and like West Bengal, like also the also that is also like Orissa, and it is true the application was submitted by the a lot of states of India like Bihar, Jharkhand, Pachim Bengal, Orissa, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, and from the south Kerala. It was submitted towards the a lot of states. A lot of states has been opened now, and like this every day the certificate of practice as a notary advocate has been issued by the Notary Cell of India. But the members of Uttar Pradesh, the candidates of Uttar Pradesh, like some states nowadays, they are betting and they are in the much trouble. So I especially pray to the Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of India, Law Minister of India concerned notary cell, may kindly, I want to pray, I am praying, may kindly open the notary portal for the all members of applicants of Uttar Pradesh, because the issues, the notary practice certificate is issued by every day, and in this condition the members of like Pachim Bengal, West Bengal, like Uttar Pradesh, nowadays they are in the betting list, and some also there are few students they are betting. So nowadays I am feeling that towards the Notary Advocate Association, they are in the they become restless. So I special pray to Prime Minister of India and concerned authority may kindly provide like this certificate and open the notary portal for the candidates of Uttar Pradesh and like Pachim Bengal any others. And this is the also there are also some questions I want to also take care the concerned authority of notary cell, because there are some challenges before the notary advocates, notary applicants. Some certificate has been issued, but there are also some notary applicants are waiting for to open their state portal. And also the big question is that also some applicants who did not appear before the interview. I especially pray to the all concerned authority, humble Prime Minister of India, Law Minister of India, and also the Home Minister of India concerned notary cell may kindly give opportunity, may kindly give an opportunity to the also such candidates who did not get opportunity to appear before the interview. May kindly also provide opportunity for them. If they do some work for like that applicants who did not appear in the interview, if the opportunity provide them, then the applicants and their children will give you, that is called the dua, to the all concerned authority. So there are special my pray to the notary cell and concern the Prime Minister of India, the Home Minister of India, and also Law Minister of India concerned notary cell. There are also questions. The question is that like this certificate of practice has been issued, but a lot of notary advocates who want to extend opportunity to practice concern any other district. Some the notary advocates want to change, want to transfer of otherwise extend their the service as a notary advocate. This is the challenge. So I special pray to the notary cell and concerned authority may kindly be like the extend facility may be available to the notary portal till the time the notary portal this facility is not available. So this is the also challenge. So totally I want to say overall, and I am giving again the thanks to the notary cell concerned authority, Prime Minister office, and all the concerned authority. There are my some question again I want to remind the there are the first of all I am giving towards the all the notary advocates who got license like this first, and second Uttar Pradesh like Pachim Bengal they are waiting for to open the portal of their state may kindly provide this facility. Uttar Pradesh, Pachim Bengal like this any other also states. The third is that the candidate who would not appear before the interview any region may kindly provide opportunity same like some students, some states has been given like same facility. Same facility also would be provide like the candidate who would not appear before the examination, and extension facility may be available for the all the notary advocates who got like this certificate. So this is the real the challenge, and also I am giving also congratulations to the all the notary applicants. Now he became notary advocate, they got certificate, and I again and again I giving them to congratulations, and I special give you suggestion, you always work according to rule and regulation, and notary advocate association has work for you. It is also, you always remember it, because notary advocate association the first time cooperate and unite the all notary applicants, and the result is that now a lot of notary applicants who become notary advocate. So I am also saying again and again thanks, like that the advocate now they become notary advocate. Overall, my special the request again and again, Prime Minister of India, Home Minister of India, Law Minister of India and concerned notary cell may kindly provide facility like me, like other student, like Uttar Pradesh, the applicant or Uttar Pradesh open their portal, so that may also may the get like this certificate, and also the all the any other state whose portal has been not open. This is only my the pray, and this is only my congratulations to the all notary advocate association. Really, at present time I am addressing in English language, because kindly forgive me the notary advocates who are not able to understand in English, because nowadays I am in the 30-day challenge. I have taken decision, I have to continue speaking in English language, not use in Hindi word. So nowadays from 17 January 2025, and the today is also 16 February 2025. Today about I am going to complete 30-day challenge, and I have taken each and every month I used to take challenge. This month I have taken challenge. No, I have to always speak in English. So also I am try to always speak in English, use this language, because this is the language. Also in the past I have done English honors, MA in English, and my only purpose is I be able to practice Supreme Court of India, any high court before the High Court. So this is only my purpose. So I am speaking, kindly forgive me. So again, I want to remember the concerned authority of notary cell, the Prime Minister of India, the Home Minister of India, also the Law Minister of India may kindly provide the same facility like Uttar Pradesh, Pachim Bengal, any other states, and immediately Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and like other students, other applicants whose the portal is till the time not open may kindly open their portal, and the applicants who are betting for the COP may kindly issue for them, because there are some defect, and a lot of applicants who clear defect till the time their practice of certificate is pending. So especially I request to the concerned authority of Central Notary Cell may kindly provide facility, because I know very well the applicants, notary applicants, they are restless. There are the reason, because advocacy nowadays become the matter of prestige, and a lot of people understand advocacy is the only the profession of earning money. No, advocacy, I know very well, advocacy is such profession. In this profession always advocate has a lot of responsibility towards family members, towards society, towards any other, and they always focus the learning, not earning. And what is the situation of society? You know, every person know about the society. So may kindly I may kindly issue the COP for the all applicants of India. There are, because I want to also remind the concerned authority like the officers of notary cell and the concerned all members of notary cell. The challenge before notary advocates a lot of, and they have to face a lot of. So kindly cooperate me, cooperate the all notary applicants, and I am giving you dua, I am giving you, I am praying for you, you and your children, your relatives, and may you live long, your children may be live long, and you develop day by day. So saying it, I want to stop my speaking, and special I am saying to thanks the Prime Minister office, Home Minister office, Law Minister, and concerned notary cell, and I giving congratulations to the all members who got COP certificate of practice as a notary advocate. Thank you very much. And Notary Advocate Association shall be help not only any particular states but also all the citizen of India. My only purpose of the life, I want to take my tongue, I want to become the voice. Such people, they have not any platform. They want to they want to himself, they want to say something. They realize as a victim. I want to voice such people. They are not able to speak anywhere. They have no any platform. So only the purpose of my life, and nowadays I am happy. The all the lawyers, they got practice certificate. They are also happy, and I would be very recently also the all notary applicants who are eligible for get notary certificate, sure they will be get certificate. And Notary Advocate Association cooperate, will cooperate in each and every moment, every situation, every circumstances. This is the promise of Notary Advocate Association. Thank you very much to watch this video. If you feel good, kindly like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.